So it will goes another 500, and it was going to do 500 at a time and then structure all pairs in exchange one all in once. So you just have to wait for 500 to complete. That is if you are structuring a whole lot of pairs. But in our case, we only fetch a little pairs like maybe 2000 something pairs and 4000 pairs and so on. So we don't have a whole lot of pairs to structure. So in my case, I am going to use asynchronous. Sorry, I am going to use synchronous because my pairs is not that much. It will not take me up to 5 minutes to structure those pairs. So I will set structure to true and then click on Ctrl S to save. And then once I have saved the settings, what I will have to do is that I will have to open the, is this the settings I have? Let me confirm this. Okay, not this. Okay, so after saving the settings here, I will have to run my main to structure the pairs. So once I run my main, let's see what is going to happen right away. Okay. So now it shows me that it structures pairs, structuring triangular pairs from pancake swap, ape swap, and buy swap. So now we structured pairs. Okay, so from okay, sorry, my attention was on something else, so sorry about that. So now we structured pairs synchronously. We go step one by one and structure pairs. And pancake swap has 100 from all the pairs we fetched from pancake swap. 100 pairs was valid pairs in the sense that it wasn't a malicious token, and it has the liquidity that we specified on our liquidity, on our settings file. What was that settings called? Okay, on our minimum liquidity in USD, and BNB, exactly. So the pairs that has the minimum liquidity and is not malicious token in PancakeSwap was 100, and ApeSwap was 72, BuySwap was 54. So it's successfully structured from all these pairs. It got 260 triangular pairs, like the one we had on Escali Draw. So when we go from pair to pair in this regard, when we go from this is one triangular pair, this is second triangular pair. So it has 206 triangular pairs. There might be a duplicate triangular pairs with different exchanges that is trading different routes. So it is good. It is right to have. So now it successfully structured pairs. Now it's telling me to run price oracle and hit enter to continue. Now what happens underneath the scene is that when I first of all go to my setting and say structure pairs set to true, I am telling my bot that I just fetch pairs, that I want you to structure the pairs, but now I'm going to turn it to false and save because it's already structured the pairs. So what my bot does is that it goes to utilities folder and go to fetcher folder and go to BSC pairs fetch folder and get all the pairs in this dex 1, dex 2, and dex 3, and then structure it all and give me a triangular pair list. That's why you have BSC triangular pairs here. If I open BSC triangular pairs right now, you are going to see the order. Okay, let me click Shift Alternative F to format it and Ctrl S to save. You are going to see the order in which the pair was structured. You see, our first pair was Cake BUSD and it was from PancakeSwap. We have the pair address, we have the token 1 and token 0 address, that is the pair address, and we have the exchange name, we have the router address as well as the factory address, we have the decimal of the tokens of exchange pair B, because we have triangular pair. This is triangular pair A, triangular pair B parameters, and triangular pair B details. And we have one triangular pairs, two triangular pairs, three triangular pairs, and we have up to 206 triangular pairs in total. So that is exactly what happened. So I'm going to click on this, and what the bot is actually telling us to do is to run stream file, which is price oracle. Stream file, there are price oracle. So if I go to price oracle right here, I will see stream file. So before I click on enter to continue finding arbitrage, I will have to run this stream file. What the stream file do is that it automatically fetch the price of all the pairs in our triangular pairs. So let me run stream file right now. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so stream file is now running. Now we have a total tokens of 15 tokens in our triangular pairs without duplicates. Then it's now streaming price. So if I go to BAC triangular token price, you are going to see, let me format this. Oh no. Okay, let me format this. Okay, so now you are going to see the prices of each of the tokens from all the 17 tokens, I can recall. Yeah, 15 tokens. So from all the tokens, you see, like this token, the price is 4.5 BUSD, and you will see the tokens that is the price is in. Like this is BUSD, price is 1 USDT, and so on and so forth. So you will see the price in BUSD or USDT. Sometimes the price might be in BNB if the pair does not have USD stablecoin pairs. So it keeps fetching the pairs every 60 seconds. So that's why the pairs has been formatted. The JSON has been formatted to the default format. So in every 60 seconds, it will update the price. So your pair fetcher is going to, I'm just recording the whole videos in at once, so I'm a little bit exhausted in this moment, so that's why I might be so just bear with me. So this stream file has to be run like this as long as you are running your bot to keep updating the price in case the price changes. So we now have the list of the prices here. So I am going to close it, and then from here, after running the price oracle, I will have to click on enter to continue. Now it's finding arbitrage. We are done. Then what I will have to show you again is that if you go to log folder, you are going to see event log. Event log is where you are going to see the error on your bot or the arbitrage execution that has been traded, and the total pair log. Oh, it's not total pair log first. Total pair log is what shows the total the total pairs in your the total pairs in your triangular pairs. So now it shows that there's cake BUSD in pancake swap, there's cake BNB in ape swap, there's cake BUSD in ape swap, and there's BNB BUSD in buy swap. So it shows you all the pairs and the total number of pairs that you have in your triangular pairs. This one is constant log file, and total token log shows you all the tokens that you have in your triangular pairs. So it's 15 token, the token address, and the token symbol. So that's what you are going to see. This one is what is going to be updating when this trade is being executed, and you are going to receive a alert on your Telegram of any execution. So I will point out something in the next video, which is going to be the concluding video.